To enable or disable password visible in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, and then tap biometrics and security. Scroll down, select other security settings, and then to enable make password visible, tap switch until blue, or to disable tap switch until white. Show password characters briefly as you type them. If you enable this option, device will be show password character briefly as you type them. Let's to try. I want to open for example Instagram, and then if you log in and enter the password, character will be shown after your type. You see, and if you disable make password visible, if you enter password, character not show. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.